Choosing the right OBD2 scanner can feel like picking between two great tools, both powerful but built for slightly different jobs. Today, we are putting the FOXWELL NT710 and the FOXWELL NT1009 head-to-head so you'll know exactly which one is right for your car and your budget. Let's get started.
We're diving into the brand new FOXWELL NT710 OBD2 scanner. And trust me, this little device is packed with some serious power. The NT710 designed specifically for GMC, Chevrolet, Buick, and Cadillac vehicles. Upgraded from the NT510 Elite, NT710 offers a faster, more reliable diagnosis experience with an advanced Android 9.0 operating system, a 5.5-inch touchscreen, and a powerful 4,000 mAh battery. With 32 GB of storage and 2 GB of RAM, this scanner ensures smooth performance and ample space for data. This all-in-one tool covers essential maintenance services like CKP, ABS bleeding, oil reset, EPB reset, battery registration, parking brake reset, and more. It also supports SAS, TPS, TPMS, BMS, DPF, CVT resets, plus fuel composition reset, injector coating, air suspension, and more. Skip the dealership and save time and money by taking care of your car's daily maintenance with ease. FOXWELL NT710 bi-directional scan tool is designed to work seamlessly with GM vehicles. It allows you to directly command the car's ECU and components to perform active tests, helping you quickly assess functionality and pinpoint issues. Test features include doors, windows, mirrors, lights, headlamps, wipers, sunroofs, fuel pump relays, spark advance, cooling fans, and more. With this tool, you can easily troubleshoot, save time, and make repairs with confidence, perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. Also, as an universal code reader, support complete 10 functions of OBD2 test, like read and erase codes, IM readiness, smog check, read freeze frame data, O2 sensor tests, evap system test, retrieves vehicle info, malfunction indicator light, MGEL, etc. Reliable sales services. One purchase gives you all available functions of NT710 without any additional fees. FOXWELL provides lifetime free updates. You can one-click upgrade the software via Wi-Fi to keep your NT710 stay the latest software version. Your satisfaction is our priority. Pros: full system coverage, bidirectional tests, easy brand customization, sturdy build, touchscreen. And cons: some advanced functions are locked to brand purchases. Interface can lag slightly on larger scans. Bottom line, the FOXWELL NT710 punches way above its weight class. If you're a DIYer, mobile mechanic, or even a pro who wants a compact, serious tool, this is a fantastic option. FOXWELL NT1009, an all-system bidirectional scan tool that's making waves in the automotive world. Is it really worth the hype and the price tag? Let's find out. FOXWELL NT1009 diagnostic scanner has more new added elite functions to serve you better. 1. Wireless diagnosis via Bluetooth. 2. ECU coding. 3. Free VAG guidance. 4. Compatible with Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Alfa Romeo, Fiat after 2018. 5. Brush hidden functions. 6. Supports CAN, CAN-FD, KWP, DUI-IP protocols. 7. Comes with 3 years free update. 8. A variety of Android apps are built in. FOXWELL Scanner NT1009 comes with advanced control module coding and adaptive capability to perform offline ECU coding, fit for BMW EF chassis. NT1009 Bluetooth diagnostic tool can get access to almost all control modules like engine, ABS, airbag, transmission, TPMS, SAS, etc. for read and clear DDCs, view live data, and ECU info, as well as perform bidirectional control to command the components to pinpoint faults, such as modulate the throttle, open and close windows, operate mirrors, injector buzz test, turn on interior and exterior lights, sound horn, test door lock actuators, etc. NT1009 automotive scanner is designed for mechanics, workshops, garages, and car owners. Comes with commonly used service functions like oil reset, ABS bleeding, throttle relearn, injector coating, TPMS reset, BMS, power balance, etc. FOXWELL NT1009 Auto Scanner has optimized hardware with Android 9.0 for quick processing and 64 GB memory to save data and 8,000 mAh battery for longer periods of work. Supports one-click share, send, and print diagnostic reports via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and email. Compatible with the latest 2022 and 2023 car models, including cars, SUVs, minivans, light-duty trucks. Widely covers 120-plus car manufacturers from the US, Europe, Asia. Support can FD vehicles, fit for GM vehicles after 2020, compatible with Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Alfa Romeo, Fiat after 2018, but required the RJ45 to OBDII 16-pin adapter. Okay, now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: bidirectional control, all system diagnostic, free lifetime updates, tablet-style Android UI, great build quality. And cons: no remote diagnostic support, not ideal for European exotic cars like Ferrari. So, is the FOXWELL NT1009 worth it? Absolutely. If you're a serious DIYer or even a professional tech who wants advanced diagnostics without paying thousands, it's feature-packed, user-friendly, and the lifetime updates alone are worth the investment.
If you don't need every advanced function, if your main use is reading or clearing codes, checking live data, maybe doing some resets, the NT710 gives you excellent bang for your buck. But if you want a tablet-style scanner, wireless features, ECU coding, full bidirectional control, and you're okay investing more upfront, the NT1009 can justify its higher price if you'll actually use those extra features. By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.